men and society. What is the problem? Do women are not equal to men in our society? So, let's get the answer in this forum.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for spending your time on this forum. May I introduce myself? My name is Nurin Adila binti Zawawi, a moderator on this today's forum. So let me start this forum with a few words. Nowadays, society's mentality toward women has a profound effect on the thinking of women and children who will lead Malaysia in the future. This is because women are treated arbitrarily just because they are a woman. What I mean by arbitrary is that society consider women to be object or something weak compared to men. So, this forum is there to discuss the opinions and view of the panel present here on the mentality of the community in Malaysia. First of all, I would like to introduce our panels today. First panel is Mr. Muhammad Sharil. The second panel is Miss Nur Fatimah. And the third panel, Mr. Om Anand Rao. They will be sharing their opinion and views on today's topic. So, let's think of our topic, which is women are not equal to men. There are lots of opinion about this topic. Some people in our society even connect this topic with religions. There's also opinion about this topic based on what happened nowadays and based on what they see, which is the fact that happens here in Malaysia. Let me start with panel 1. What makes people think that women are equal to men?
Thank you, Nurin. And now I will continue discussing about this and also answering your question, what makes people think women are equal to men? My first reason is because gender roles in household. This issue is starting from the home conflict, as we always seen in most of women more concerned about homework than a man. Then most men will work to earn money so that they can have a balanced life every day. But now, most of women are more succeed in various field work than a man can do. So that makes people think women are equal to men. Maybe they need to tolerate each other so that they can handle this issue. But in my opinion, I think women are not equal to men. It is because if we explore the meaning of equality, for example, in mathematics, we can see the definition is nothing more or nothing less than as we learned in primary school. Men and women are totally different physically and emotionally. Now let's give me some example to make you more understand this. Imagine the two pieces of puzzle. They are not equally having same shape, but both of them are incomplete and they need each other so that we can view the scenery or image on that puzzle. In the other word, there are two elements that are equally valuable but not equal. It was simple just like the topic we discussing about. Women are men and each other to make sure we have a balanced life every day. That's all for me, and I pass to the panel two. Maybe you can explain the women in various field.
So, what I get in panel 1 answer, women are more successful than men. That's why they want to raise their issue of gender because of their jealousy or misunderstanding. That's why the society think women are equal to men. So, let's move on to the next panel. Miss Nur Fatimah. She will explain more about our topic. So, Miss Fatimah, you can continue.
Thank you, moderator and panel 1, Mr. Shari. This is my opinion about women are not equal to men in our society. For me, nowadays, both women and men are equal in our society. As we can see, there are lots of companies in Malaysia hire women to fulfill their job vacancy. This is because women are also educated and they do study as well as men. So, in this new era, we can see women in various fields. Many years ago, women don't have any chance to further their study as because of the community mindset at that time. They only think that women only have to do housework and then get married, and after that they only have to raise the child. This circle still happen even now. This is because of there are some people keep think like that. This kind of mindset must be changed. Everyone in this world have to open up their mind. They can't compare women and men because we are now born in modern era. So there are lots of difference between now and before, which is when we are still ancient at that time. There are lots of figure that we can make as example to change everyone mindset. But where is woman's level in this world? Today, women can be a politician. Women also can be an athlete. Women also can be an entrepreneur, as well as women can be a public figure and teacher. The figure of politician that we can see nowadays is the Prime Minister of New Zealand, who now govern a country. The second figure is Nicole and David, which is the woman squash athlete from Malaysia. And last but not least, Oprah Winfrey, the public figure from United States of America, which is she's an actress, an author, a host, a television producer, and also she's a philanthropist. We can say that she's a veteran in Malaysia, one of a successful young woman that we can make as example is Nilofa. We can see that now she is an entrepreneur and also a public figure. She achieved her success in do business and her work as a public figure. All these figure can open everyone's eye where to put women's level today. For me, we should compare women and men because nowadays it's not necessary, as women can do what men can do. That's all from me. Thank you.
From my point of view, as I heard panel to answer, women can do a lot more than what people expect. Women can involve in many various fields, so there's no play favor towards women. Panel 3, I want to ask you, how do you want to change the mind of most people out there towards women?
Well, hello guys, it's a good discussion. From my point of view, I can say that to some extent, the new generation of men has started accepting gender equality, but somewhere deep down they may still believe that women are incapable to the society. As Nurin said, how do we want people to change the mind of most people out there towards women? I can say that first of all, people have to accept the change. Gender equality makes our communities safer and healthier. Unequal societies are less cohesive. They have higher rates of social behavior and violence. Countries with greater gender equality who accept the change are more connected. Their people are healthier and well-being. For an example, we can take that Northern European countries such as Denmark, Netherlands, and Finland often rank as the happiest country on earth for women. The ranking is deceived from a compilation of five equally weighted country attributes, which is care about human rights, gender equality, income inequality, progress, and safety. As far for this discussion, for my second opinion, I can say that education plays a major role to change minds in our society towards women. Education enables girls and boys, women and men to participate in social, economic, and political life, and is a base of a development of a democratic society. Education can be crucial to changing attributes into accepting gender equality as a fundamental social value. We can see that parents should teach their children from birth interact differently with clear basic depending on their gender, and through this interaction parents can insist the different value traits from their children. So I think parents should teach the children that women and men are the same. For an example, we can say that, or else we can normally hear people saying, or even our family members saying that cooking and cleaning is a feminine job, while providing and being leader is a masculine job. In this case, I would like to say that parents should teach their children that cooking and cleaning are a basic life skill which is should be learned by women and men at the same time, because it helps us at nowhere the place and time, and providing and take care of the family can be not gender biased role by women and men. So that's the point I would like to say to my point. So I think Nurin can conclude out my point. Thank you guys.
Thank you, Anand. From your view, people have to accept the change about gender equality, and better education plays more role in changing minds of most people out there towards women. So, for conclusion, I can say that our group had a very good discussion. The subtopics we discussed is what make people think that women are equal to men. Women in various fields, and last but not least, how do you want to change the minds of most people out there to gender equality or women? That's all from us, Anand, Sharil, Fatima, and myself, Nurin, about the topic women are not equal to men in our society. Thank you. That's all from us.